Hey guys, it's Christine again with another freezer meal for your Crockpot. I'm making a super easy mushroom ranch chicken today, and I've already dated my freezer bag and I've labeled what it is. I'm going to just open it up, and I like to fold it over to keep the sides of it clean. And then the bowl will help hold my bag up as I'm adding ingredients. So all you need is like 3 or 4 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken, your chicken broth, cream of mushroom soup, and a packet of ranch dressing mix. Okay guys, so now that I have my chicken in the bag, I'm going to start adding the other ingredients. Here we have cream of mushroom soup, and I'm just going to add the whole can. For the next step, I'll be adding 1 can of chicken broth. At the end here, you just want to make sure you squeeze out all of the excess air, and then I like to store mine flat in the freezer so they store better. And something I like to do with my leftover chicken broth is freeze it into cubes and then store it in Tupperware so I waste less. I hope you enjoyed!